to walk and talk about the stages of change. You know, if you're trying to make a change in your life, it's not quite as easy as hopping on an escalator and riding on up. It is like a staircase, though. You got to kind of take some steps. And if you checked out my video about a Tia Kali, you got a visual there on, excuse me, a pyramid, which also represents the stages of change. Back in the late 70s, a couple researchers, James Prohaska and Carlos de Clemente, came up with this model, the Transtheoretical model of behavioral change. And they combined a bunch of different approaches and realized this concept of stages of change. And the first stage of change is the fact that we're unaware, maybe, that a change even needs to be made. They call that the Precontemplation stage, where you're not even thinking. Zombied out, don't even realize there's a problem. But then, of course, shit hits the fan, something happens. You either get arrested, you're in the hospital, going through some sort of trouble, most likely, that raises the awareness, and you kind of get launched into the contemplation stage of change, where now you're realizing you might want to make some changes. After you kind of go through that decisional balance and decide what you want to change, you move into the preparation stage. Get your ducks in a row, so to speak. Where are they out here? There they are. Ducks on the pond over here. That's the preparation stage of change. You're going to get it all set up, get it dialed in, get your game plan in place, and then you get ready to move into action. The action stage of change is where you're walking the walk. We're not just talking the talk anymore, we're actually walking the walk. I hope she doesn't swim the swim today because it's a little chilly. Even though this is an actual hot spring. It's a warm spring, allegedly. So this won't actually freeze, this body of water here. Who knew, right? Unaware. But then you learn and realize, okay? So moving on to the maintenance stage of change. Once you put your plan into action, now how do you sustain that? And how do you maintain that? Especially when there's relapse involved, you know, you might backslide, you might fall back into the old ways. So how do we maintain our successes? And do we really have to fight this fight forever? I mean, come on, do I really have to be constantly working a program? No, there's more stages of change. One called termination. We can extinguish or put this into extinction, and we don't have to have the problem anymore. That's the beauty of the stages of change, is that once you navigate and you work your way through, you kind of get to put it in a bag, and it's no longer a problem, and you can move on to the next.